So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the video camera camcorder. It's a full HD 1080p 30 FPS camera. Check this thing out right here. It's got night vision. It's got a 3-inch IPS screen that you can control, a 6x16 zoom, and a remote control that comes with it. Kind of like an old school camcorder style device. One of the most wanted devices on all of Amazon. Why? It's 24 megapixels. It's full HD, and you can do 1080p 30 FPS. So this is something that you can just grab a camera like this. It's just grab and go. It's got a big old monitor on it. By the way, it's got lights on the front, and you can basically just point and shoot. Any sort of amateur camera person can just point and shoot this camera. With the x16 digital zoom, you can zoom in on whatever from far away, etc. You can even mount some attachments to it, as you can see in the package here. Doesn't come with the mic, but it shows you that it's got a universal mount on the top that you can mount microphones to if you're interested in that. It's got infrared for the night vision, and as you can see, it supports an external microphone, and the reduction captures lossless audio, which is really, really cool. I think that's cool. There's also a pause function while you're recording, so you can kind of, while you're recording something, you know, a moment happens at the birthday party, right? You know, they blow out the candles, everybody cheers, you hit pause. Then you start recording after everybody eats the cake, and then boom, you shoot the kid, opening the presents next, etc. The pause function makes it so that you can have one file that you're working with for an entire video you made, so you don't have to go edit it later. I think that's a pretty decent function. As you can see, these functions with this camera are designed, you know, for the amateur user in mind, for a beginner user in mind, which is how it's priced as well. So keep that in mind. But it's got an HDMI output on it. So this is probably one of my favorite features on this thing. It's got an HDMI output on it, which means that you can output this camera to your TV. You can output it to a capture card. You can use this camera as a webcam. This is why I'm talking about it right now. You can use it as a webcam, and it's a real camera with a real lens. It's not like, it's got a built-in lens, but with a better lens than many actual webcams have, which makes it super interesting. And it's multi-function, right? So they're just designing this to be an all-arounder camera. You can shoot stuff at the beach, stuff with your family, stuff like that with it. And you can also use it for potential at-home applications. Not to mention, it's got some like photo options there too, which is pretty cool. So honestly, pretty decent camera package. Is this going to blow people away with Steven Spielberg style production? No. Is it going to be pretty good for the price? Yup. That's it. Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.